Namaste. I am Balagopal from Kannur, Kerala. I have completed my MSc Yoga and I am a certified yoga teacher and evaluator from the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. To update my knowledge as a yoga therapist, I understood that the deep knowledge required for a yoga therapist, and for that only I have joined this course from the Institute of Manushi Institute of Yoga. That therapy course and its application physically, mentally, intellectually, emotional and spiritual areas. The course comprises in-depth study of anatomy, biomechanism, neuromuscular facilities, endocrine system, metabolic and circulatory system, prenatal and postnatal and digestive, neurological and mystery of 7 chakras, mudras and bandhas, etc. And also from its beginning and its application through affirmation, visualization and asanas, pranayamas and meditation, bandhas, mudras, and all these things given a new insight. Dr. Natarajan sir and Jayanti madam and the visiting faculty mentored and guided us proper application of this yoga method and how to deal with a client with assessment and how to apply it properly. And all these theories and practicals and doubt clearing sections through online, offline sessions and residential program. In my experience, my family and I was suffered diabetes for years together. With the proper guidance and mentorship of Dr. Natarajan sir, I have cleared and I am free from diabetes now. I am confident that this kind of experience I can use for the welfare of society. The application of this knowledge completely cured this dangerous disease from my family. Also, yoga therapy is the new disease clearing system which is invented by especially on base of theoretical and research methodology by Manushi Institute of Yoga. Research-based and evidence-based case histories proved its significance, and if we apply it with through affirmation, Shatkriyas and asanas, pranayama, mudra, bandhas, meditation, we can serve the society well. In connection with this course, submitted papers in diabetics. Treatment in seminar, we have visited Temple of Patanjali Maharshi. The course have completed, transformed me, and I am indebted to serve the society. I am grateful to Manushi School of Yoga and especially Dr. Natarajan sir and Jayanti madam. Thank you very much.